everybody, and welcome to this presentation on scale degrees and notes in the scale. Thank you for joining me. Today's topic is going to be about 3-note per string patterns, and specifically looking at the scale degrees on 2 strings as we start to build them. So each time we take 3 notes from the 3-note per string on just 2 string, most of the time we end up with a different pattern each time. I'm going to drag the 1 over here and work my way backwards. And what I mean by that is each shape starting on each one looks different, and not because of the B string rule, but just because of the arrangement of notes. So these are essentially 6 of the 7 major scale notes each time. Notice we have, when we have the 1, we got whole step, and then perfect fourth from the 1, whole step. On the 2, we have whole step, half step, and then the perfect fourth from the 2, whole step. And then let's take a look at 3. Here we have a new pattern because of where the half step occurs. And it goes half whole, and then the 3 to the 6 is a perfect fourth, whole half, and then when we start on the 4, we have whole, and then the 4 to the 7 is the lone augmented fourth. So this is the only time that, a 3-note per string pattern, outside of shifting to the B string, shifting for the B string or whatever, this is the only time that we'll, come up for an augmented fourth. Every other time it's like this. So then we go to the 5, and the 5 is the only one that bears the same pattern as the 1. Got the whole step pattern. I'll put it over here. And then the 6, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the pattern that happens off the 6, and then 7, move that over here since I don't have another grid, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each one of these is different except for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So as a result, when you're on each one of these, there's a different pattern to remember. One way that makes it easier is when we separate these into just a single pattern. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, and 7, 1, 2. Now we see that we have actually just one of 3 patterns. We either have a whole step, like we do on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7. We have a half step, whole step on the 2, 3, 4, and the 6, 7, 1. And then we have a half step, whole step on the 3 and the 7. So 3 whole wholes, 2 whole halves, and 2 half wholes. And so if we remember the order of fourths, 1, 4, 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, back to 1, then anytime we, place this out, and if we know our steps below each one, it'll be easy to figure out the scale. For example, let's go ahead and do that over here. The only thing is we have to adjust the augmented and then adjust for the B string. So in this scale we're shifting quite a bit, but we got our 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Makes it pretty easy to see when we're aware of those. Well, that's it for now. Hope you can take these basic concepts and use them to construct your 3-note per scale strings. And give me a like, give me a dislike, give me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have a good night. Take care.